Hello, Professor. It's me, Javier, and this is my week 7 course project. I found this project to be the biggest challenge yet, mainly because of the database connections. I struggled all week trying to get my project to connect to every database server I made, but I had no success. I tried 3 different SQL programs. First, my SQL Workbench, then Access, and finally my EDUP. So here you can see on the screen is my EDUP database. The database is called CP week7. If you open it up, there's a table which is supposed to hold all the data. Inside the table you will see all of the fields, names we used, including the customer's name and the address, and all of the flooring details like the flooring type, total price, and the area. For this project, as all other previous weeks, I used NetMeans. For the classes, I created similar classes to last week's pizza project. I used DB Connect, Flooring IO, Flooring Main for the GUI, Flooring Order, Order List, and Customers. The first 2 you can see are for the database to connect to. It includes all of the following information to connect to the EDUP database, including my username and password, the table and list of values. Next, we have the main GUI. I like to use the GUI Maker feature. I find it to be a lot quicker and easier for me to create something visually. Here is a preview of my program. As you can see, it has 3 tabs for the floor calculator, the area calculator, and order summary. It has everything it needs, including the radio buttons for the flooring type, buttons to add to order and calculate the area and clear the text, and display of all of the orders and other order details. The last 3 classes are where the coding really happens. They include code to make a lot of the program, actual function, including when Civic radio button is selected, it calculates and displays the correct price based on the area of the floor. They also code what's it doing to be stored in an array list, and what is going to be displayed in the output, such as all the customer's information like their name and address. My code includes the getters and setters as well. My program was fully functional prior to trying to connect to the EDUP as well as other database that I tried out. It didn't give me major errors, and it still doesn't give me any errors other than the fact that it says it can't connect to the database, and however the program says that it is running, but it doesn't display the program. I've been stuck on it all week, and I've tried different ways to get it to connect, but I haven't had any success. Overall, I'm pretty happy with the outcome, mainly because at first it was the coding that I really struggled with, but working on the code for the last 2 weeks gave me a lot of time to overcome a lot of the challenges and figure out what I needed to put where. Now I just have to focus on connecting to the server and keep getting practice using databases until I'm successful. Thank you for watching.